Alright fellas, so today the problem at hand is that I have this CCD camera installed for my back door, and I don't want that of course the wires of the CCD camera should be like this so that I can close or slide the window. So basically I need to make a through hole right here or somewhere up there, and this is almost 13-14 inch wall, and the way I'm gonna do this is with this big huge drill bit, and you see it goes right past the dimension through this. So let's get started. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can receive notifications of the latest upcoming videos. So let's move forward. Right guys, so this is the drill bit. What I'm gonna do is take off this wire every time so that doesn't get cleared by mistake. Right here.
Sound right, boy.
Started, but I just realized a very important point. I need to wear safety goggles.
It sound right, boy. Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boy.
Regularly check whether your bit is not getting loose. Extremely important for safety and everything.
It sound right, boy.
We are already getting quite far. Wow. Already. Wow.
ปะ
Okay, let's check this out. Nice. So that's the CCTV camera. The wire is going to tell me beautiful hole. Okay, so
It
I
sound
just
right, boy.
passed the cable
Check the
for
mic
the
and make sure it
CCTV
sound right, boy.
camera. It's right here. Let me also, I have just one pair of hands and half of my pair is busy holding this gimbal. So let me get back when I get connected. I'll show you again. Alright, so yeah, those were my kids' cars, toy cars. So I connect the CCTV wires and let's see how it looks at the main screen. And here it looks, the back door, front door. Okay, so let's call it
It sound right, boys.
a day. Bye.